Okay, let's open this one here. So this is from one of my church friends. Yeah. This is so cute. I love it. And look at this ribbon. It's so cute. If you can see, it says "Mommy to be." Even holding it like that, this thing's like heavy as. How do you open it? Oh, that is so cute. It's like a little ribbon. Okay. Far out. I'm running out of breath now. How do you open this thing anyway? Oh, there it is. Sticky tape. Whew. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I'm gonna keep this. Far out. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is from my church friend and her husband. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Damn. Oh, it's so cute. Cute. Oh my gosh. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Look how cute that is. So, this friend of mine and her husband, they're actually due 1 week before me. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Yeah, before me. Yeah, that's right. Okay, what is this one? Is it just for him to lay on, I think? I think so. This is so cute. Thank you, my beautiful friends. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. I'm so grateful for. Waffle blanket. I've heard of this online actually. So, yeah. Yeah, waffle blanket, so. Okay. And what is this one? Milestone disc. Perfect to capture memories. Storage. Convenient storage bags. Alright, we go. Interesting. Wait, so how do you use this? I don't know what's the purpose of this. So this is like arrived, 1 week old, 1 month old, 2 months old, etc, etc. Actually, I'm gonna open this now and see what it is. I love this box, by the way. The box that has all these things inside. Here it is. It's that reusable thing. Wait, so it was that one. Yeah. So then I have space here to open up all the presents. Alright. Okay, I wonder who got me these ones. Gosh. Oh, this must be a huge packet of... Wow. That is a huge packet. Damn. So these are... I can show you guys actually. Just basically says thick and something wipes, so... It's pretty heavy as well to even show you guys. And then, yeah, the rest is envelopes. Okay, who got me this one? I don't know actually. Let's see. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh. Another pacifier. Definitely needed him. It is so adorable. Oh my gosh. I remember these outfits that my niece and nephew wore when they were like younger. I mean, like when they were babies. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I'm actually surprised I'm not even crying here right now. Normally I get emotional. Definitely needed this as well. So I'm guessing this is like the second or third pair now that I have. Okay, another one. Aww. So cute. Okay. Next one. I love when the presents are like well wrapped. It's like treasure hunting. What is this one? Nappy bags. Oh yes, definitely need that. It smells good too. Oh wow, it does smell good. Nappy bags. It smells so good. Don't mind me being a weirdo. I'm gonna open it actually. Oh yes. Gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Obviously the last time I smelled this was... Next one. Another self-care package. Ah, love it. I just love it. All the... So, I don't know where the card is, by the way. Yo, I feel like I need to know who bought this because yeah, I'm just loving all these things, especially the unexpected ones. Like, oh my gosh, I need this. Nice. Another thermometer. Love it. Sorry, I have to show you properly. So cute. Okay, what is this one? It's like a comforter as well. Oh, so cute. Another one. This is the second one that I got. The first one was with my my friend that got me just lately, actually. So cute. Nice. It's definitely what I need as well. Pregnancy tiredness, not me. Oh, I forgot about this one. Lol. Why is there hair there? Weird. Hey, last one. I mean, last one for this bag. Oh, perfect. More bottles. Nice. God, there's 2 more presents in my parents' room. I forgot about those ones. Those are the ones from my family that came from Newcastle. My in-laws. I'll just call them my in-laws anyway because, yeah. Anyways, who bought me this one? Aww, one of my families. This is definitely my cousin's writing. I'm pretty sure it is, yeah. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm loving all these different types of baby shower cards. So cute. Thank you, family. Okay, I'm actually quite excited to what's in here. It's like every present I've opened, it's been like, oh my gosh, I need this, I need that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn. And there's more wipes. Oh, definitely much needed. Why am I crying? It's weird. This is the only person that's giving me tears. Oh my gosh. Definitely needed more wipes. Oh, definitely well needed. Oh my god, it's so cute. Tiny sock with socks, yeah? Yeah, it's socks. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look how cute that is. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah. So these can reach up to... Okay. Oh, bibs. This is the first time I got bibs actually. See, again, always surprises me with all these baby shower gifts. It's different ones too. Definitely winning of these. I'm gonna have to buy more of these. Oh wait, I have to check the other 2 presents because there's 2 more presents in my parents' room. So I'll have to see if there's bibs there. So this is definitely well needed. Yeah, for sure. Oh, this is so cute. I actually have seen this set before. It's like an eating set. Yeah. What do you call it? One of the YouTubers that I watch, they have this feeding set. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it so much. What's this? Burping cloths. Definitely need this. And this is actually the first time I actually got the burping cloths actually. Yeah. So burping cloth. So if you can see, it's so cute. It's a giraffe version. Face wash. Oh, another set. Face washes too. So this is like the second set that I got. And what is this? Plush blanket. So I guess just a normal blanket, yeah. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. This must be so kind of like a teething one. That's cute. Fine motor skills, touch, teething, and sound. Oh yeah, sound, of course. Nice. It's so cute. I love mommy. That's so adorable. Just checking on how long this video is gonna be recorded because I don't want it to. Okay. What's this reading book? Okay, and what is this one here? Oh, so nice and soft. Oh my gosh. What is this? I don't want to open it as well. Okay, more pants. So basically it's like clothes. Definitely well needed clothes. I'm not going to show you every clothes because otherwise this video is going to be taking too long. But socks. More face washes, which is definitely needed. Sweaters to wrap the baby around. I'll just show you. Face washes and sweaters. Huh, that's so cute. The bib and the socks. The socks? Socks or shoes? I don't even know. I think it's more like socks. Yeah. Oh, wow. Definitely need nappies.